Hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about the admission process for studying in Germany. But before that, if you are someone who is looking for study in Germany, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of your doubts. The very first step for studying in Germany is research and choice of program. Start by researching the universities and programs that are aligned with your interest and the career background. Mainly research for the universities and the program that are completely taught in English, or you can go for the German taught programs if you have a good command on German language. The second step in this process is checking the admission requirements. The admission requirements mainly includes the academic qualifications, English proficiency tests such as IELTS and TOEFL, IELTS score of 6.5 and TOEFL score of 85 plus, GRE score of 305 and GMAT score of 680 is good to go. And the German language requirements according to the universities are A1, A2, B1 and B2. And other specific documents are transcripts, CV, LORs, SOPs and resumes. The third step in this process is online application. Most of the universities in Germany have their own online application portal. You have to check and rectify the whole application and submit the application including the required documents. The fourth step in this process is paying application fee. Some of the universities require an application fee. Make sure while applying you have to check the requirements of those universities and pay the application fee carefully. The fifth step in this process is awaiting the admission decision. After submitting the application, you need to wait for a while for the admission committee to check your application, review it and then take their decision. This may take several weeks or months depending on the university and the college of the program that you are interested in. The sixth and the important step of this process is acceptance and the visa process. Once you receive the admit from the university, you need to carefully review the offer letter and then take your decision. Once you have taken your decision, you have to accept the offer letter and start with the enrollment process. If you are an international student from a non-EU country, then you have to apply for a student visa from your nearest German consulate or embassy. The additional step in the visa process is block account cost. The block account is used to deposit the required amount as a proof of financial resources for living in Germany. The German block account amount is deposited while applying for a student visa to Germany. The block account amount is around 11,000 to 12,000 euros for a year. The amount is used to manage living expenses apart from the cost of studying in Germany like tuition fee, etc. Banks may charge an additional amount for opening the account. For example, Deutsche Bank charges around 150 euros to create a block account. It is important to note that the application requirements may vary depending on the universities and the program that you are interested in. Therefore, it is advisable to check out the official websites of the universities and the college program that you are interested in so that you can get the exact information while applying to those universities. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.